We're sitting here once again with Brian Weber, and we're talking hybrid cars. That's a big deal.
Yeah.
But do you guys work on those? I mean, that's a pretty highly specialized deal there, isn't it?
We do, and hybrid cars are getting more popular, and people like them because you don't worry about the range anxiety, but the battery and the motor still extend the range and the efficiency big time. Ford's got hybrid taxis in New York City with over 300,000 miles on them still working. They are reliable, they do work. And yes, we are trained to work on hybrids. We've been doing it for years.
Jeez. And is there anything different about how you approach diagnosing a problem, when it's a hybrid versus
yeah. Diagnosing a problem is certainly a whole different animal because the car is operating different. There's many more systems on it that have to work in conjunction with other systems. The other thing is even air conditioning is different on hybrids. It uses a different refrigerant oil. You have to have a different. You have to have different equipment to do that. So there's a lot of differences that you have to know about. And if you don't do those things right, you can cause a lot of problems.
A lot of specialization, and I know through all the videos I've done with Brian, you guys stay on top of the education for this stuff. You stay on top of having the latest equipment to do it.
Yeah.
And what's great about it, and we talked about this, you always pinpoint the problem before you start fixing the thing.
Yeah, you have to.
So obviously the battery is part of a hybrid vehicle. Does the battery itself need servicing in some way, shape, or form? Or?
Yeah, it's a very similar battery to an EV battery, but it's a lot smaller. And sometimes they don't need maintenance, but sometimes they'll need to be repaired or there might be a malfunction. So the aftermarket is involved with some of the hybrid batteries, which we can replace.
All right.
We can actually get inside of a lot of these batteries and replace the bad cells. To
keep
the battery.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
so you don't have to drop the whole thing and take the whole thing. You just get it.
You got to take it out still, but it's a lot cheaper to do that than it is to replace the whole thing with a brand new one.
Yeah, and that's great. And I love hearing the word fix versus just replace. It's a really wonderful thing. So that's a great aspect.
It saves a lot of money.
Yeah. Well, Brian, thanks a lot for letting folks know that if they do have a hybrid vehicle, if that's you've got a great option. Get it fixed. And thanks a lot for watching.
Thanks, Randy.